Hello and welcome to Dutch Linux. Today I am gonna show you how to install yaourt in archlinux. You go to this website archlinux and then go to Wikipedia, type in yaourt, then you find this page, but I put a link in the description. Copy this text in your terminal. Copy. Open your terminal. Type in sudo su for root. Type in nano space. Paste the text that you copied. Type in enter. Go below. Copy this text. archlinux fr. Paste it. Type in enter. Copy the server. Copy. Paste it again. Alt Control and X to exit. I for yes. And then enter. Then copy this text. Paste it. Resolving dependencies. Then I for yes. Then you type in pacman capital S yaourt. Then enter. Then yes. And now you have installed yaourt. If you like this video, comment, rate and subscribe. Bye.